back to my diary. I hope you're doing well. So in today's video, okay, by the way, if you find value in this video, kindly hit that subscribe button, comment, tell me what you think about the video, and let's grow together. We are almost heading to 1,000. I know it is possible because that is like my goal. I just want us to reach to 1,000 so that we can continue reaching more people. Now in today's video, I said at the beginning of every week, I'll be telling you, maybe I'll be sharing with you the top 3, 2, or even 5 pairs that I'll be looking at in the week. And now, one of the pairs that I'll be looking at, because after analyzing the chart, I came up with 3 pairs, and one of the pairs is GBPUSD. GBPUSD, I did analysis on GBPUSD because I always keep saying I'm more of a swing trader, day trader, so I'm not a scalper. I'll always analyze the chart for long period of to know the analysis of the chart, maybe for 4 days there. Then I can come back and follow up with what the chart is happening. So coming up to GBPUSD, I did a whole video on GBPUSD because I love sharing my thought. You can just go and watch the whole of that video so that you can understand uh, my thinking. So coming to GBPUSD, when I was analyzing this market, I was saying I want, if the market behaves the way I want it to be, it can give us like around 300 pips. But of late, the market has really been misbehaving. Maybe probably because we are heading to the festive seasons. That is why the market now is starting to consolidate. This is the daily time frame. And you can see the day I analyzed this chart, everything was telling us to buy, no, to sell, because the market has been selling. And now the market was around this resistance. And if the market is at resistance, our work is only to find entry so that we can continue with the overall direction of the trend. And so far, you can see the market has already given us 163 pips. The first time the market went to around one. Let me go to the lower time frame, the 4 hour, because the market is really ranging. And I know when you find a ranging market, sometimes it becomes tiresome. So after analyzing the market, by the time the market was around this area, I waited. Then this consolidation, the market went for around 127 pips the first time. You can see around 120. The first time it went for 78 pips, then it went for 120 something pips, this big candle. And after that, you see this inverted head and shoulder, another inverted head and shoulder. And now you can see this market today, because yesterday we had US elections. So you can see how the market has really dropped. But key point, it is not violating our resistance. So far, imagine in 2 hour candles, the 4 hour candles, the market has moved more than 174 pips. And we are still waiting that this market, it will surely give us 300 pips as long as it does not violate toward the upside. But now you see this market, it keeps on, like, it is just consolidating a lot. It is not moving the way we want it to move, because you see how the market is moving. Yes, we know it is creating lower high and lower low, lower high and lower low, and now you can now tell how this market is moving. So it is quite tiresome, but as long as we know the market is selling, what we have to do, we have to give chance to the buyers. We wait for the retracement, like for example here, we wait for the buyers to come in. Then after the buyers have already entered the market, then our work is to wait for us to get a sell entry, because at the end of the day we have buyers and sellers in the market. So the market is still moving on slowly, and we hope soon the market will surely drop, because it is really moving so slow, and it is just making me feel tired. But I'll keep on pushing. I'll just keep on watching. At least we wait for this market, if ever it will come to around this area, because I believe around this area we have something like a support. It is not yet confirmed. Even the market has already touched that area. You see, if you go to the previous on the left, you can just see how the market has been reacting toward that side. So you can see somehow the market has even touched this area 2 times, but still we are waiting, because the market is really moving slowly. But that is one of the most hectic market. But I'll just keep on watching, and I'm not in this market because the GBP, it is really misbehaving. The second pair, and this one is a very interesting pair, even before I go, remember, if ever the market comes and break toward the upside, now we know the market has fully shifted, because remember, this market has been buying. Can you see the market has really been buying? You see, high, 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 low, high, high. The market has been doing a deep retracement. So the moment this market comes up and it starts going up, it can continue the overall direction. So you are just trading because the market was below our support. Okay, but now if the market want to continue the overall direction, because you can see the market is clearly buying, the market has been buying for quite a long period of time. So if ever the market start to go beyond, we still continue the overall direction, because we can't force the market. Only that the reason why I've been selling it is because the market is at resistance. Considering the weekly and the daily, all of them, they were telling us to sell the market as of this moment. But if ever the buyers gain momentum and they break with a very big candle here, and they come and retest the way they just broke here, then we continue the overall direction. So it is not like it is a one day trade. No, this is a trade that will take quite a long period of time. Even you can find this 300 pips they can offer on the upper side. Even if you keep saying you want the 300 pips on the downside, they can happen on the upper side. So we have to keep up with the market. And remember, again, we are entering the the festive season. So the market will start now consolidating, and especially for GBPUSD, it loved that part. So we have to keep up with the market. So far, if the market gave us 70 pips, gave us another 100 pips, and now this one big candle, because of the US election, has given us more than 160 something pips. That is already 300 pips. Because I keep on saying that the market will give us 300 pips, it doesn't mean that the market now will come straight. Not all the market will go straight, but some will give you 50 pips today, tomorrow 30 pips, 70 pips, 100. And when you combine the whole of those pips, by the end of the week, by the end of the month, you have your 300 pips. Now, the second pair that is making me excited is card CHF. Again, by the way, I do love sharing a lot. If you've noticed, I do love sharing. I give you free setups, and then it is up to it is up to you to know if you want to enter the market or if you don't want to enter the market. And again, if you still find that you still need that person who can show you when to how to if you want that person to teach you the very basic everything you need to know, I'm always here. You can WhatsApp me and you can talk more about the classes. And remember, this is the best time to start learning, because the market is slowly shutting down. Like the market, we are heading to the festive season, as I keep saying. So the market is not much volatile. So you have the time to learn, because coming January, February, of course, the market will be going, will be moving a lot. So this is the best time to start learning. So coming to card CHF, the last time we were talking about card CHF, we were selling the market because this market was ranging around this area. You see, the market was ranging around this area. And now, since we can't wait the day the market will ever break on the upper side or on the lower side, then we have to enter the market and find which is the most appropriate area for us to enter this market. And after entering the market, I was saying by then the market will give us around 70 pips. And you can see the market after so many days, the market surely went down and gave us even more than the 70 pips. But again, it takes a lot of patience and commitment waiting for that market. I'm not going to details about the 70 pips, but in this case, the same thing you are doing when you are selling the market. Now our market, it was at support. You remember the first time the market was at resistance, and now the market was at support. And when our market is at support, what do we do? Now we start buying the market. And remember, this market is so funny. Can you see this area around here? You see how the market behaved around that area? The same thing, it was repeating itself. Can you see? You can call it this one a double bottom, you can call it a W, whichever case, but you can see the market was somehow repeating itself again. The same thing. This one is quite a deep one, but you can see the market was repeating itself, meaning that this is quite a strong area for us to call it a support, because the sellers cannot violate that area, and that is where our strategy come in. One, we have support. Two, the market is not breaking towards the downside, and what do? We have to find entry, and if the market came down, then it will go up. And I was saying, I did these videos again on my Telegram even before the movement. So after waiting, this is on 4 hour. What do you have to go? Then you have to go to the lower time frame. You wait for the retracement. Can you see the same double bottom here? The market came down, went up with a very big candle, came down again, failed to break. After retracement again, it came down. You can see the 1 hour candle. If you go to the 30 minutes, can you see the candle that I'm talking about? This is a very good example of a bullish candle, a very clear bullish candle. And after that, you can see the market has already moved more than how many pips? The market has moved more than 60 pips, and it is still moving. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited about this market, and it is still moving. I'm so happy. It did not give us a hard time, considering like the way we were selling, but in this case the market is still moving. 60 pips have already gone, and the stop loss was just below this zone. You see, every time you enter the market, stop loss should always be below this zone, depending on the lot size you are using. So the stop loss should always be below, because the market can easily spike up. But at the end of the day, can you see the same thing? The market keeps on repeating. So if ever this market comes again here and they fail to violate, not around this area, and they fail to violate, what do? Then we still apply the same thing. The way we want this market to come here, if ever it comes again, it fails to break, we will come down with this market again. So you can see, you have the same market, but you keep on repeating whatever you know in that market. So that is the second trade of the week, and it has already played so well. I never expected this market to go this way, but you see how it is moving. I don't know, like I never expected it. I knew it will go back very slow, because the time we entered around this area, this market was really behaving, and it was like all the emotions were everywhere. So the last one that is even making me happy, the last one is EURCAD. Hey, this week I'm just happy, and it is only on Wednesday. Aish. The last one, it is EURCAD. EURCAD, on the daily, the same setup we have. This setup I keep on sharing like every day. Every time I find this setup, I'm always sharing with you. And you can see on EURCAD, the same setup. Again, you can see this market, we know it has been buying for quite a long period of time. I never shared this I've never shared this one on my YouTube, but on my Telegram, I know people there, they know this market. You can see the market has been buying for quite a long period of time, and we are not saying the market will buy. But now remember, our market again is being what? Our market again, it is ranging in this area. It is ranging, so it means the market can either break and continue going up, but if they fail to break, then they can come down. But remember, the buyers have failed to break 1 2, and this is the third time that the buyers have already come here. So at least we have an interest in this area, and for us to know if you want to sell, the only thing that we have to do, we just have to wait. Either they break toward the upside or toward the downside. Now, when you go to the 4 hour, this is where things are becoming interesting. When you go to 4 hour, can you see what is happening to this market? Sorry, we have a simple pattern. You can call this one again a double top or an M, depending on how you want to pronounce it. Can you see? This is an M or a double top. For those who are saying it is a double top. And what you have to do, you just have to wait for the neckline to break. Then what? Then you let the market be, and you just have to look where the market is most likely to go to. But depending with us, I was just saying, maybe the market will come to around this area. But even if you just get you around your 20 pips, 200 pips, sorry, you are just good to, even if you get 200 pips, or if you get, even if it is 100 pips, 70 pips, you are good to go. And at analyzing that market, I just let the market be. You see, after this neckline was broken here, and it was broken with a very good candle. Can you see this red candle here? When you go to the lower time frame, if you feel like the 4 it is hard, on the lower time frame already it is showing you what the market is happening. After they have broken this area, you see this red candle, they came back and retested. If you are keen enough, you see this candle here, this red candle here, this red candle here, it is a good indication showing us you can enter the market. One, because we have a clear evening star where we have a green candle followed by a small kadoji candle and a red candle, showing that the sellers have already started to take control and they don't want to push the buyers don't want to push the market to add towards the upside. Then we have a red candle, a very clear bearish candle. And I keep saying, if you want to enter the market, ensure you enter with the red candle. And if you enter this market, you can see from there, the market just have been going so well. And even if you want to use another confluence, you can use, this one is a head and shoulder, where you can say, at the moment you understand how a head and shoulder is formed, then you just have to say, this is my head, this is my right shoulder, and this one was so far, so you could not have entered this market considering that way, but I've not even seen that head and shoulder, but I'm just using all the confluence to my advantage. So at the end of the day, you realize the market just moved on so well. Like, I don't know how even to explain that. This market, it never even misbehaved, and you can see how the market has been going so well. And so far, this market has already moved, like how many pips the market has moved how many, 190, 185 pips. Those are good pips considering the fact that this market, at least it is coming around this area. So at the end of the day, you realize you can just use a simple strategy, learn about that strategy, keep on practicing, and then come back and check if ever the market had gone, if you the way you had analyzed, but avoid backtesting a market that happened 2 3 years ago, and avoid so many strategies. Just say, if ever the market do this, I'll do this. If ever the market do the other thing, then I'll do this. And at the end of the day, that is how you make money. But you have to be patient. You really have to be patient. You don't find these setups all the time. So what I'm thinking, in case this market again it comes down here, what we have to do, then we'll have to wait, and we'll start, and they fail to break toward the downside, then we'll have to wait, and we'll start the whole process again of doing what, of buying the market again. But for now, those are the trades that I was looking at this week, and I never expected that this trade they will play out that fast, but I'm so happy. So imagine having 100 pips, then you add to the other 60 pips. You see, you already have 100 and something pips to go, and that is how you make money. You don't have to make like 500k a day. No, the moment you make today $50, the other day you make 70, you are good to go. So those are the trade I was looking at. And even if I look at the chart that I will have keep on telling you, go and watch at this market, you can see that the market, even if it takes quite a long period of time, the market still played out using the same concept, and that is the support and resistance. By the way, just join my class if you want to learn more about this type of chart. You can see, when after analyzing this chart, the market went and it gave us the clean 400 pips. Coming to Euro and NSD, you can see the same thing. The market has never finished that distance, but it is still ongoing, and it is not a miracle for this market to ever come here down and then it continue going up, and one day it will finish all that. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope again you've learned something, and remember, patience pays in this market. Okay, until next time, bye bye.